When you clean a vacuum, you become a vacuum cleaner. Think about it. Today, we're talking about spring cleaning. Overall, you want to organize and clear the clutter. You want to do that by putting things into 3 categories: giveaway, put away, and trash. You want to get the items that you're giving away out of your home as quickly as possible, whether that's through a yard sale or donating a box at a charity. Get rid of the seasonal clothing you never wear, attack that junk drawer. Get rid of that seasonal clothing you never wear, attack that junk drawer, and clean your damn fridge. Spring cleaning can feel overwhelming, so you want to make sure you exercise portion control. You want to start in a space that feels manageable, like an entryway closet or a pantry, and then work your way out room by room. You want to create a checklist for each room. This helps you stay organized and also helps you focus on areas that have possibly been neglected. You want to do this in 15-minute intervals so you don't feel overwhelmed. For example, here's a list of chores the world tells you you're supposed to do once or twice a year. Wash your windows inside and out, as well as the frames. Dust your blinds, dust your light bulbs, yes, that's right, and update your bed linens. Protect your wood floors, which is personally something I've never done, but this might be the year, we don't know. Deep clean your carpets and rugs. Clean your curtains, clean your appliances, and clean your air filter, which you should be doing once a month already. The important thing is, you don't want to try and do all these things at one time. Do one thing, treat yourself to a glass. Do 2 things, treat yourself to a bottle. Pro tip! Keep your cleaning supplies to a minimum because they just add more clutter. Get an all-purpose cleaner. Happy spring cleaning, you filthy animals. This is Beginning House with Paul. Cheers.